where we will explain how you can create your own Jolly Jokers animation using Scratch. So in this video, we will go through how you can use the free website Scratch on any device to be able to create your own animation. We will look at how you can include backgrounds, add sprites, and then use your coding blocks to deliver a joke, a wait block, and then a punchline. Let's see how funny your jokes can be and how amazing your Jolly Jokers animation will be. So let's get started. Today, I'm going to use this on my iPad. So I'm going to go to my Safari app, which is my web browser, and this is going to allow me to access the Scratch website, which is scratch.mit.edu. What we need to do when we load up the Scratch website is we need to be able to press the Start Creating button. It's going to load up our project, and then we press the green button so that we can see on blocks, our workspace, and where our sprite is. So the first thing we need to do is we need to choose a background that we are going to use ready for our jokes. Now this can be anything that you want to. And then we also want to be able to choose some sprites that we can use for telling the jokes out loud. Now, it's up to you which ones you want to use. You might want to go on a same theme, or you might want to go something different. This cat doesn't really fit with my theme, so I'm just going to press the little X and delete that. And actually, my little dot here, the little dog, is facing the wrong way. So I'm just going to come up to costumes and press the flip horizontal button, which is this one here, which is just going to then turn my dog around. There we go. So now that we have got our two sprites and our background in place, we can now start to have a look at adding in our code to make our jokes. So the first thing we're going to do is put a when the green flag is clicked button from the events block. And then we're going to use the looks block and we're going to get it to say something. Now at the minute it says hello, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to then type in my joke into here. So, how do you get Pikachu on the bus? There we go. So I might want to display that for a couple of more seconds just so it lasts a little bit longer. So there we go. There we go. So now I want the dog to be able to answer. So Dot is my dog. So I'm just going to press the when the green flag is clicked there. And then this time I'm going to have to put a wait block because I don't want his answer to appear straight away. So then I can then put the reply. There we go. And type in Pokemon. There we go. And then I might want to put a wait block and get him to say a joke back. So let's go back to the looks block. Let's go in and say, where do sharks live? There we go. Now, it's going to come back to Gobo. So let's go back to Gobo. Now we need to put a wait block in here and we need it to see how long it's going to be able to get the answer to appear on the screen. So what we're going to do, let's see if we change this wait block now to maybe 6 seconds. And let's see what the answer would be. Let's put on Finland. There we go. And let's try that through by pressing the green flag and seeing if our timings are right. There we go. Now we're going to wait. Where do sharks live? Perfect. That works really well. Don't worry if it doesn't. All you need to do is to change those wait blocks in the middle to make them last longer or shorter for your jokes. And really, that is it. So if we take a look at our code, you can then start to maybe add in some animations. So let's press the green flag and see what we've got here. So we've got our jokes being said, and then you'll see that actually Dot flashes and we change his colour of his costume. And then on this next joke, we've got Gobo actually spinning around and having a little bit of a celebration. It is completely up to you what you do with your animation. and let's have a go at exploring Scratch and seeing what we can use to be able to create our best Jolly Jokers animation. We can't wait to see what you have created, so why not share it with us? Go on to the Showbie app, put in this class code, and you will be able to access our Discover Digital Learning Zone Showbie account. This is where you can share all of your amazing creations with us, and we can have a look at them here at Family Fund and give you some well-deserved feedback. We can't wait to see what you create.